Berkshire Hathaway just put $10 billion into Alphabet, but it didn't buy the stock on the market. It came in as the anchor investor in Alphabet's AI funding raise. An anchor investor is the one who commits first, so everyone else follows. Alphabet is raising over $80 billion, and Berkshire took the seat at the center of it. At that size, the name itself is part of the terms. That single commitment put Alphabet straight into Berkshire's top 5 holdings, not accumulated quietly over years. It landed there in one move. Here's what's strange about it. Berkshire had been a net seller of stocks for 14 straight quarters, about 3.5 years. The first big thing it does after breaking that streak is a tech position. And the person allocating capital now is Greg Abel, the CEO. Buffett stayed on as chairman. A company that avoided tech for decades picked tech as the first big call of the new era. The money came out of the vault. Cash and short-term treasuries went from $397.4 billion at the end of March to $365.5 billion at the end of June. About $20 billion of that went into net stock buying. So why now? The Fed is holding rates in the 3.5 to 3.75% range. That caps what you can earn parking money in T-bills, which means the cost of holding cash just went up. And it wasn't only Alphabet. Buybacks jumped from $234 million in the first quarter to $4.53 billion in the second, the largest quarter in 5 years. Berkshire also closed its purchase of homebuilder Taylor Morrison. Here's the part worth keeping. Cash is not risk-free. It carries a price, the return you gave up to hold it. And when rates stop climbing, that price goes up. At that point, cash becomes the most expensive thing you own. To be fair, this isn't a declaration that AI is safe. Berkshire still sits on $365 billion, way above its own $30 billion floor. And one thing got buried. Geico's underwriting profit fell 45% year over year. 3 things to watch. Whether the Alphabet stake grows, whether net buying holds a 10 to 15 billion per quarter pace, and whether Berkshire slows down if rate hikes come back. The headline was that Berkshire bought Alphabet. What actually happened is that it took the anchor seat in an AI build-out. Not financial advice, but it's worth asking what price tag is sitting on the cash you're holding.